Hello. So in this video, what we are going to see, we are going to connect Siemens logo PLC with PC without using OAM logo cable. So you can see I have my Siemens logo PLC and it is connected to through PC via this FTDI. So now I'm going to do the small communication test. So the FTDI is connected with COM port 6. So you can see now I'll just do the small communication test. You can see the communication is established successfully, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just read from the PLC to PC. Okay, you can see connecting to device. Now this is in run mode, so I'm going to stop, and you can see I'll just stop this. You can see now it is getting connected. It's reading all its ladder diagram. You can see, yeah, and it does as the original cable. What it does, this DIY does the same. There is no difference, but this is very cheap. You can do on your own. If you require any help about this, you can email me. Thanks for watching.